Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer DNS from GoDaddy to Google Domains style easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the My Products section on the dashboard. Locate the domain you wish to transfer and click on it. Scroll down to the Additional Settings section. Click on Manage DNS to access your DNS settings. In the DNS Management page, find the Name Servers section. Select the option to change your name servers. Choose Custom and enter Google Domains server addresses. The Google Domains name servers are as follows: ns-cloud-a1.googledomains.com, ns-cloud-a2.googledomains.com, ns-cloud-a3.googledomains.com, ns-cloud-a4.googledomains.com. Save your changes by clicking Save or Update. After saving, allow some. Next, sign into your Google Domains account. Select the My Domains section to view your domains. Choose the domain that corresponds to your GoDaddy transfer. Go to the settings and find the DNS settings option. Verify that the name servers are set to the Google Domains default servers. If necessary, adjust any additional DNS records. Check the status of your domain transfer periodically. You can confirm the transfer completion through your email notifications. You are now done transferring your DNS from GoDaddy to Google Domains. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.